Hi, this is Regitze. How do you find the best targeting for your Facebook and Instagram ads? If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram ads, please give me a like and follow. But let's jump into it. How do you find the best targeting for your Facebook and Instagram ads? Well, open targeting is working better and better, especially if you have a business where you already have some conversions, you already have some sales and some leads generated, then definitely try open targeting. Open targeting means simply that you're not limiting Facebook with saying that it should be this and this interest group. You're simply having no interest group. You can also have all ages. If you are sure that your your product is only for a certain age group, then you can try it with that age group. But I would test it out with the 18 plus, so all ages, because Facebook ads work best with as many people as possible, with a big audience. So test it out. Also, if you have products for either men or women, you can also use open targeting, so you target both men and women, because think about it, men often buy things for their wives, and wives can buy things for their husbands. So use both genders and test it out at least. And when you're testing, make sure you give it enough time and enough ad spend. Not just $5 for one day. That's not going to give you an accurate result. But yeah, especially if you have an ad account where you already have purchases or had generated leads, but also if it's a new ad account. Even with new ad accounts, I would test out open targeting. The only thing you have to be aware of is only target the area where you can deliver, of course. So if you can only deliver to certain countries, then only target those countries. And if you're a local business, then only target the area where people are likely to come to your store. But test it out and comment below if you have any questions. If you want us to do all this for you, then we're specialized in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. You can learn more by booking a call with either me or my team. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. There's a link in the description for that also. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care. Bye.